What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a video that's been long overdue. For you guys that don't remember, we have my fiance's 2017 5.0. About a year ago I had it tuned, flex fuel tuned, and the muffler deleted. Car's been sounding great, it's been running great, it's pretty quick for what it is, but compared to my car, it's not so much slow. It's a little quiet, and this thing, it sounds good. It sounds like your typical American muscle rumble, but she wants it to be a little louder. I wasn't applauded by it, and I want it to be a little louder. So what are we doing today? We are replacing the resonator, or Xpipe. We're actually putting Xpipe on it, getting rid of the middle resonator, aka the suitcase is what they call it. So here is the SR Performance Xpipe. I was gonna go with Roush or something, but honestly I started looking at them. They look exactly the same, literally exactly the same. So should get some noise out of it. Like I said, this thing is mufflers are cut off of it. I don't know if I can get a good video on it. Let's see here. There it is. No mufflers. So we're gonna go ahead, cut off the stock Xpipe, put this Xpipe on and do it. But first, before we do that, let's go ahead and get it before sound before we start ripping it apart. Damn, okay. Damn, ow, that hurt. I wonder what she revved it to. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, go ahead and turn it off. I have no idea what the hell she just revved that to, but holy shit. I got a question. What did you rev it to? Did you bounce it off limiter?
No.
What did you rev it to?
I didn't watch it.
I think you bounced it off limiter.
That was fun. I've never done that before.
God damn. Well, it's gonna be louder. Holy shit. Okay. Well, let's start. Been under too many fucking Mustangs.
I think I should have lifted it more.
No, that's fine. There's plenty of room. It's just either way you're laying on the ground. Those two. A little tighter. Cool. You scraped a lot right there. Alright, anyways. So Spencer, actually, the guy that did the muffler delete, put these different hangers on it. Which is fine, because just remove that one, 10 mil there, and it's actually going to slide right out. It's this that's stuck, babe.
Oh, lift it. Oh,
There it goes.
can you move your head?
I'm not even in it.
Okay.
Damn, his exhaust hanger smacked me in the fucking nose.
You really just dragged it out.
That's why. God, I'm out of breath.
Wait, we're taking that off.
We're taking this off.
Oh, okay.
So what we're gonna do is, for a lot of people that don't know,
Including myself.
cool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sit here. I'm gonna measure this right up to it. Alrighty, so I did mark them. Not the best marking, but they'll work. So first, I'm gonna try this. It's a tailpipe cutter. I've used it before. I actually used it on the Roush. It actually did pretty damn good. So we're gonna use it on that. If this doesn't work and takes forever, then I got the Sawzall behind me and we're just gonna chop away. So let's actually start cutting.
Okay, I should just get the Sawzall.
You can get the Sawzall. That's okay.
I feel like I should be.
She wants to try putting it on, so. Huh?
Oh yeah, I wish this car was higher.
No, you don't need a higher. You're good. Here, let me move the impact out of your way. You're gonna have to press it pretty much, babe. There you go.
Well, I don't know if it's in.
You'll know. Alright, so I got the sleeves on right there. Now, I also ended up putting, it's so no room under here, ended up putting the exhaust hangers back on right here. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna feed me the tailpipes so I can feed it through here, slide it in onto the Xpipe, and then bolt this hanger on and we should be good. Then we'll get a startup. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, 'cause I'm tired now.
Okay. So which one do I feed you, left or right first?
Give me the right one.
That's left.
This side, baby. This side. My right.
Oh, that's your left.
This is my right.
Oh, this is my left.
I gotta be careful because that thing is sharp. Okay. That should be there.
You want me to go under the other, all the way over there?
No. Alright.
Did it go in?
Yeah. Past it.
Is it in?
No, yeah, hold on. Let me get it around the.
Ow.
Told you your eardrums are gonna be gone.
Yep. Doing it. Cause yeah, dust came out and I got it in my face.
Oh. Having all that water.
I know. Oh, water came out. That sounded cool.
Sounds better.
That's hi.
It sounds better than your boyfriend's. It sounds better than your boyfriend's. Your boyfriend sounds like shit. This one sounds better. You're just mad.
Hang on.
I think it sounds good. Do you like it now?
Sounds great. That sounds.
It actually has what it needs.
Yeah.
All this
So
water.
It has what it was missing, and
Yeah.
then I got water all over my
Yeah,
face.
don't worry about it. There's just condensation stuck. So it was in the cats. Normal. I don't have those, but anyways, besides the point. I think that's gonna finish up today's video. Now, we may be doing a lot more to this car. Not sure yet. I know she wants to do a lot more stuff. We actually might have a plan for it next weekend if my car's not done yet.
Yes.
My-
And it's gonna be both of us.
Yes. My car's not done yet. This thing is gonna get very aggressive, very quick. So, but story for another time, or video for another time. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe. We have possibly more videos with this coming. We got videos more of the Roush, which I got an update on that coming soon. Dune videos, Can-Am videos, everything videos. So, remember guys, if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification anytime we upload. You guys will know. Now remember guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.